In the early 1700s, iron was an essential material that was needed to help make new technologies and products during the Industrial Revolution. To make iron, a substance called charcoal was used in the process of converting iron ores to iron. The way this worked was iron ores were smelted with charcoal from trees. Charcoal was not only expensive at the time, but was also decreasing because the nation's timber supply was running low. That meant that iron workers had to find a new source of fuel to produce more iron. The new source of fuel that was used was called coal. Coal was a mineral that was formed under the Earth's crust due to plant and animal decay along with heat and pressure. Coal was a major key that sparked during the Industrial Revolution. It was cheaper than charcoal and was also more cost-effective than other fuels. The use of iron was now extended for a short period of time before it would soon be replaced with steel. In 1856, a man named Henry Bessemer invented a process to turn molten iron into steel. This process was called the Bessemer process, in which it took 20 minutes. A pear-shaped receptacle called the converter utilized a blast of air in a decarbonization process to create the steel from iron. The significance of the Bessemer process is that it efficiently made steel for a cheap price. Because steel was lighter, harder, and more durable than iron, it became the main material used in tools, bridges, and railroads. Although steel was more efficient, iron still helped make products. As steel production soared, industrialized countries measured success by their steel output. As the cities became denser, people started to build upward to maximize the use of a small space. Steel was used as the structure for skyscrapers, even though the interior was very cramped because columns and beams were closely put together. It was still a big milestone in the making of new buildings. The invention of a safety elevator, which was made possible with switching from iron to steel, allowed the inhabitants to safely move up and down. During this time, transportation was improved. Railroads were built that could travel long distances, and bridges so that you could pass over rivers instead of having to go around. With better and faster transportation, they were able to move a larger amount of products from one place to another, which further helped the Industrial Revolution. With steel, people were able to build more complex and sturdier structures.
Yay!
Oh, that took forever.
I know.
Okay.
I didn't know we